Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make chicken balls. Let's see how to make it. In a kadai, put 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 spoon of shajira and 7 to 8 garlic cloves and a small piece of chopped ginger. And add 2 cups of cooked chicken. Chicken is cooked with 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric powder and little bit salt. Now add 5 to 6 green chilies for spicy taste. Then add 10 to 50 numbers of small onions. It's optional, you can add big onion also. And add 1 chopped big onion. Now add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. A small piece of cinnamon stick, 2-3 cloves and cardamom. Add along with the chicken. Just roast a little. Add 1 spoon of oil. Close the kadai for 5 minutes. Now transfer it into a plate. Once it gets cool, grind in the mixer jar. Add pudina leaves and coriander leaves also. Add little bit salt. This is a grinded mixer. Now add 4 slices of breadcrumbs. Grind 4 slices of bread in a mixer jar. Add along the chicken mixer. Breadcrumbs will absorb the moisture, so we can fry well. Now make small balls. Add required oil in a kadai. Roll the chicken balls in breadcrumbs. And fry in the hot oil. Keep the flame in medium. This is a very good evening snack or a starter. You can eat with tomato sauce or pudina chutney. Our delicious chicken balls are ready to eat. Serve with sliced onion, tomato and cucumber. Please try it and put your comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.